Here's a nice 1950 Chevrolet. This is a Fleetline Deluxe Series 2100. As you can see, very nice looking car. Chrome, bright work on this car. Nice shape, as you can tell by the headlight, bezel, headlight visor, chrome in the bumper, grille. Great look to it. Also paint in this car. Nice shape. Now underneath this hood, 235 cubic inch inline six. That is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Other nice thing about what's underneath the hood, air conditioning. This car does have AC. It does blow cold. And I'll pop the hood here in a little bit so you can check it out also. You'll be able to check out the Fenton exhaust and intake manifold. It does have a split exhaust manifold. We'll get around to that in a little while. I'll pop this hood. Or if you want to check out the still pictures, you can go and check those out, look them over, check it out close, zoom in on them. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the listing of this car. And of course, call us 507-386-1726. These fastback style Chevys do not tend to last very long. They're good sellers. Popular car, especially one that has the look and the options of this one. As you can see, it's riding on the wide whites. Wheel covers. We have some rock protectors, chip protectors, front and rear. Protectors around the door handle. So we got some cool aftermarket bright work accessories on here. Good looking visor. Now wipers in this one are electric, do work. I'll get around to the inside and show you the interior too. Fender skirts in the rear. You can see how straight this car is up and down it all. So it's got a great look to it. This one will turn some heads. You don't have to be afraid to take this to any of your local shows, roll-ins, just out for some fun. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome on the rear bumper, and again, we have dual exhaust back here because we have a Fenton split exhaust manifold coming off that inline six. Look at how nice these look from the rear. Of course, in '49, these were restyled after the war, and the Deluxe became the upper end model of Chevrolet. Quite the car back in the day, and still is, probably even better today. That AC and some of the components on it. Again, look up and down this side. Very straight. Paint's got a good look to it. Now, let's go ahead. I want to show you the interior. That's finished off very nicely too. We have a cloth vinyl combination, cloth here, vinyl here. Just kind of a medium silver gray, nice neutral looking interior with this exterior color. No rips, tears, really showing much for wear as far as the interior goes. From front to rear. Headliner in this one, also very nice shape. Smooth runner too. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Again, wipers switch to electric there. They do work. AC does blow cold. AC unit right here. Fan turns on. Top one, temperature control on the bottom. Painted dash, nice shape. Little aftermarket gauge pod down below here. Here you get that cool 50s hot rod sound out of that split manifold. Nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back here. Nothing crazy. Nice little rumble coming out of that 235 cubic inch inline six. Alright, let's go check out this engine bay. This is nice and tidy up here. Pause this a second, take me a couple hands to get this hood open. Alright, I clicked the AC on, so the compressor's turning, and I wanted to show you that when the compressor is turned on and the AC runs, this pusher fan also kicks on. So you got an aluminum radiator, that pusher fan to help with the AC. You also have the fan on the back side. Take care of the cooling needs. As you can see, some nice chrome air cleaner covers and valve covers. Here's your vent intake, dual carb, and then a vent split exhaust manifold down there also. Nice setup underneath here. And again, the 235 cubic inch inline six, it is a 50, little later 50s model. So it would not be the original engine for the car. Smooth runner, sounds good. Nice setup. Very, very usable car. Get out and take it down the highway. Check out the underside pictures of this. I mean, this car is nice from top to bottom. Again, check those pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or you email us. 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline Deluxe. Air conditioning. Nice looking car. Great bright work. Give us a call.